God's sake, don't be lazy, Susan. Just stand up and pick up the salt. Right. There were 2 muffins, both in the oven. One says to the other, "Is it getting hot in here? Is it just me?" The other one says, "Holy crap, it's a talking muffin!"
Why make dinner hard when you can make it easy? The Povison Smile Table with Lazy Susan comes with an eco-conscious centered stone top. Collision-proof features ensure a safe dining experience for everyone. Mix and match chair styles for personalized seating aesthetics. Easily attach or detach the Lazy Susan without leaving any marks on the tabletop. Povison is the premier brand for fully assembled furniture. Ready to live in. Povison.